We're going to make predictions of what's going to happen in 4 hours. Yes, that is the CPI comes out and what's going to happen throughout the rest of the week or even in the next couple of days. So what's going to happen at 8:30 a.m. when the CPI actually comes out is the CPI is going to be 3.0. That's going to be the first prediction. I think the market will react. We will breach $60,000 for a little while before dumping back down below $60,000. So let's say we go to like 62K, dump back down to 58K, all within a period of, let's just say, 3 or 4 days. What's going to happen is Jerome Powell is going to be very, very bullish. Is going to be getting people very, very bullish, saying that, hey, inflation is cooling down, but I'm not yet ready to cut interest rates yet for this month. But I think he will cut in September, and that's going to get people bullish. They're going to buy it up, and then Germany is going to be like, haha, we still have 770 million Bitcoin, $770 million to dump. And they're going to start dumping because they did just transfer 347 million yesterday. They're going to start dumping and they're going to dump the price back down. And then people are going to be a little more bearish again. But towards the end of the week, we should actually start going up as Germany finishes dumping. And as we have, like the lower CPI coming in and people getting more confident in the market. So that's going to be my overall prediction. July will actually be July, especially towards the end of the month, will actually be bullish. And especially at the end of July, when he gives that FOMC conference that's going to span over 2 days, he's going to be like, while we aren't actually going to cut rates this month, we do see the negative impact that holding interest rates too high will have on the economy, and we will adjust our actions according to the data. And I do think the data for August and September will both be pretty decent, so he will actually cut rates in September. Only 25 basis points. I think the next rate cut will be after the election in November. So we'll see what that does to the market. We are waiting for that like $6.1 trillion stuck in the bond market. We're waiting for some of that to move over. And with the lower rates, some of that is actually going to move over. The Mt. Gox thing is still hanging there. So I do actually expect a pump in November as well after Mt. Gox stops distributing or finishes distributing, and some people have had their chance to sell. I don't think as many people are going to sell as people think, because a lot of those that originally held the rights to the Mt. Gox thing have actually sold their rights during the 10 years, and those that actually have the rights to the Mt. Gox coins right now are probably not in a hurry to sell. They'll probably wait a while. There will be somewhat of a sell-off, but it'll kind of scattered. And I do think the government selling, the concentrated government selling, will be the main downward movement. The FTX SBF thing probably won't come into play until later this year, but that will definitely help our bull run at the end of this year, and it could make it go significantly higher than people suspect. So if we get a massive pump end of December into New Year's Day, that might be part of that. That really might actually be part of that ride. So that's what we're actually looking at. But yes, as for what's going to happen in a couple of hours, that's my prediction. I predict that we're going to go above 60K for a little while, fall below 60K again before the end of the week. And I think end of the week we'll be probably sitting around 60 to 61K at that point as people gain some confidence over the good numbers. So short video today doing my predictions, and hopefully let's see what I get right. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell notifications button, and I will see you guys next time.